In this video, I'll show you how to delete a slide in Gamma AI. From your presentation, go ahead and select the slide or card that you want to remove. Like, for example, this one here. So when you hover over it, you'll see 3 dots appear at the top of the slide. Just click on those 3 dots and then choose the delete or the bin icon and the slide will be removed. You can also delete a slide by right-clicking on it and select the delete option from the menu. Another way to do this is through the slide list on the left side over here. Just click on the slide you want and then right-click it and then hit delete. Or you can also do like once the slide is selected, you can simply press the backspace key on your keyboard. So that's how you delete a slide in Gamma AI. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was helpful.